Hey, it's Rule. He's repairing some shingles that blew off. Hey, I want to show you guys something here. The other side, it's obviously a little too late to prevent this, but something that can help you save money and roof repairs, wind damage. Something that you guys could do yourself. A simple trick is I want you to grab a leaf blower like this, and I want you to blow against the shingles like that. See that? Eventually that is gonna blow off with high winds. So before that does happen, simply apply some seal right there underneath, and these shingles will stick. So it'll save you money, it'll save you time, and we all know that right now in these times we could all use a little help. And here it is, guys. I hope this helps, and